Buddy. Rocking out of box, 12-13 in the game, Heroes and Prospects for Average Joes. Alright, so here you go, buddy. We start with base. We've got a game-used jersey black, Jordan Cook. Jordan Cook, game-used jersey black. We've got an autograph, Matt Murray. It's a goalie box. Matt Murray. We've got a class of 2013, Morgan Klimchuk. Morgan Klimchuk. Base. Top prospects insert Colton Sissons. Colton Sissons. Mike, let me check that link out right when I'm done here, buddy. If it's one I don't already have and it's not massively out of my budget at the moment, yeah. Most of them I will say yes to. Memorial Cup insert Gabriel Gerard and Andreas Athanasiou. Still have no idea which one's actually the proper pronunciation. I'm going to go with Athanasiou because it's easier to spell. Class of 2013, Hunter Shinkarik. We've got a game-used jersey black, Jean-Sébastien Dea. Autograph, Anton Zlobin. Anton Zlobin. Base. Yeah, I was going to say, one of our mods is a big NASCAR guy. He'd be able to give you a better answer than I would. Because I don't do much with NASCAR, to be honest. Subway Super Series insert, Jean-Sébastien Dea. We've got a Hero and Prospect, dual jersey silver, numbered 1/40, Mikhail Grigorenko and Gilbert Perreault. Mikhail Grigorenko, Gilbert Perreault, numbered to 40. Autograph for the Kitchener Rangers, Radek Faksa. Radek Faksa. Part of the up 2-0 on the Guelph Storm Kitchener Rangers, Radek Faksa. Just have to sneak that one in there. And base. So there we go, buddy.